Hello, my name is Joe, and this is Joe the Coder. So today, what the project I'm going to be building is a Twitter-based project where we'll use the API to be able to have essentially a spreadsheet or database and have it to be able to make posts for us, threads, and also images. But today we're going to focus especially on just one thing. And this one thing is authentication. We want to be able to log into Twitter API and have it saved, so we don't have to keep authenticating every single time we want to send a tweet. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do, to have an X account, then you need to register for an X developer account. So let's get right into that. Moving on to the laptop. Let's go to Twitter developer. You'll go to your signed in X account. You'll say subscribe now. We're going to say sign up for a free account. We're going to give a description of why we want to use the API. You see, it still says Twitter, but I want to create posts and threads relating to sports, especially for I will not exploit Twitter for its data. Sure, after ChatGPT taking some of the data, they're not so happy about that. But anyways, that's all you got to do. Finish that and submit. Okay. And tell the internal error, but it's working. We have now a project here. So we can rename our project. Formula 1 stats. Oh, not that. I want to save it. Now this is two things you'll need. In your keys and token, you will have your API key and secret. And that's exactly what you need. So on this page, you're going to want your API key and API secrets. So you're going to regenerate, yes, regenerate. And you're going to copy these two. And these two are the only things you're going to need to run my code and get authenticated to Twitter. Now let's talk about the code itself. So this is written in Python, my favorite language. I think I actually have love hearts for Python. And essentially what it does is you input your consumer key, consumer secret, which is the API key and the API secret. And what this does is it authenticates you. And when it authenticates you, it creates a credential file called Twitter_credentials.json. And using this, with just this one-time authentication, you can log into the app over and over again. Initially, when I was building this application, every time I wanted to post a tweet, I had to log in again. So this code will really make it much simpler. I'm not sure how I should do these coding with me sessions. Should I actually write the code with you together? Because it would be a lie. I didn't write this like out of my mind. I just used documentation and ChatGPT and some AI tools. So, but I can give like a pretty high level overview. So our function is called def authenticate. And here you put in your consumer key and consumer secret using the environment variables. And I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So I'm going to type in mine in the terminal, but for you, I'm going to put some code here. This is what you do. You would put export consumer key. You should have consumer key. And this is where you put your API key and press enter. Now we're going to do the same for our secret. And once you've done the two functions to put in your consumer key and consumer secret onto your environment, you simply have to run Python authentication.py. It will give you a link, and you'll simply press command plus the link. Open a page for you. Why does it not want to show it on this page? But let's see. Yeah, it's going to bring up a page like this where you're going to say, are you authorizing? You'll see, yes, I authorize the application. It's going to give you this pin. You'll take this pin, enter it in, and there you go, authenticated. You'll see here to the credentials.json, and now you'll be able to do posts. we're going to get now into the actual building, both the posting, the threads, and the images, and probably connecting to a database in the next following episodes. So that's like 4 episodes. But anyways, take a look at the code. You will find a GitHub description in the link with the code to look at it. I'm not a great programmer. I'm not amazing, but it's kind of just like a project to slowly build up to that. Take a look at it. If there's changes you think that are good, but I put a request, I'll definitely check it out. But anyways, it's been Joe, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks.